Transporting materials to a job site protected and intact, all while keeping them organized, is crucial to the success of any business. This is where the extruded PVC 2x4s from Action Industries come in. These versatile strips of rigid, recycled PVC plastic made in the USA have a multitude of applications. They're ideal for shipping, transporting, protecting, and separating important delicate materials to keep your business running smooth. Each 2x4 has a hollow design with 4 legs to form 3 convenient slots. These 3 openings can be utilized to hold whatever material your job calls for. Have multiple jobs worth of material being loaded into one truck? The extruded PVC can keep everything organized and protected while not adding extra weight to be lifted. Once the materials arrive on site, they're ready for your team to get to work right away. 2 pieces can also be sandwiched together to provide more structural support while keeping the weight down. Whatever your use for these functional 2x4s, they're great to have on hand for any size business. Aside from organizing and protecting your valuable materials as they travel between jobs, you also get the peace of mind knowing you're using a product from recycled materials made in the USA. So get your extruded PVC 2x4s from Action Industries today.